Hey guys, Thrift Store Dave here. It is the beginning of neighborhood garage sale season here in Chicago, and I just hit one garage sale impromptu estate sale, and this is the container of goodies that I was able to grab for $40. I'm gonna pause this and then tell you bit by bit what we got. Okay, so starting with the clothes, I was able to find an old Vans hoodie for SpongeBob SquarePants. This is probably 20 to 30 years old. Needs to go through the washing machine, but again, for $1 was totally worth it. Also for $1, a very lightly worn, basically clean northface jacket. This will probably at least bring $20, but I paid $1 for it. So very happy about that. Some jeans. I went through some totes and found a couple pair that were pretty nice. These are old Lee jeans, so I'm gonna see what those could go for. And then some old Express jeans. I have to do a little homework, figure out the date on those. But again, for 50 cents a piece, they were totally worth buying to resell. Skipping over here, there are a bunch of spools of electrical wire. These are 14 or 12 number, and some of them were complete. So with the price of copper having gone up, some of these big ones are selling, I think, for $40 to $50 a piece. I got the entire tote of them for $10. Amazing. Skipping over here, there are some antique new old stock door handles for houses and people who are doing refurbishments, and they're gorgeous. They're unused, they're clean. I'm gonna figure out what these go for. But there's 3 of them in this box, plus I was sold an entire box full of these for another $10. So this is insane. Someone wanted $25 for this in an original garage sale. There's other antique doorknobs that people are gonna want because they're brass. I could probably sell them all for parts even for over $100, I'm thinking. So this is a huge deal. Very excited about that. This was not $10, but it was $1. And it's got some names underneath. If I can clean it up, figure out what that is, very least I can get back what I paid for it. But gonna do some homework on that. Gonna do a little homework on old food packaging. This is a cheese box, probably from the 20s to 30s. Someone originally wanted $4 for it, so this may not be worth anything, but it was thrown in for the whole group of items I bought, so it was worth getting it. And then lastly, there is an antique food slicer. So apparently you put it on a surface and you can spring it up and down and it'll cut walnuts, garlic, anything that you got. These are razor blades within here. So this is antique. Also need to do a little homework, figure out what I can make for it. So all of this together, I'm gonna get hundreds of dollars for. I anticipate this being part 1 of a multi-part series of neighborhood garage sale picks and finds, plus some update videos to come on what I sell these items for. So if this is interesting to you, please like, subscribe, and then you'll get notified when I make my next video about this stuff. Thanks again for tuning in, guys. Bye.